ఐషర్ మోటార్స్ మరియు పోలరీస్ సంస్థలు సంయుక్తంగా రూపొందించిన ఈ వాహనం పవర్ జనరేటర్ గా హైడ్రాలిక్ మాన్యువల్ గా పనిచేస్తుందని సంస్థ సీఈఓ రాజేష్ వర్మ తెలిపారు. దీని వెల 2,60,000 రూపాయలని ఆయన తెలిపారు.
Multix is specially designed for independent businessmen. It's an extremely adaptable 3-in-1 vehicle which does 3 jobs for the consumer. It works for his family, it works for his business, and it also generates power. In terms of family uses, 5 people of the family can sit very comfortably on Multix with luggage. In another mode, it can be converted to create 1,918 liters of space, which is extremely useful for the businessman. And in the third mode, it generates 3 kilowatt of power. With this power, all kinds of professional equipments can be run, like drilling machine, compressors, or washing machine, or any other machine. On the other side, it can be used to light houses, or run a DJ system, or run a water pump, or anything like that. So that's how Multix is an extremely adaptable 3-in-1 vehicle, which is also India's first personal utility vehicle, a personal vehicle which is loaded with utility.